In this video, we will learn how to calculate regression from a given data set, that is a bivariate data set containing an independent variable and a dependent variable y. So this is the data on which we are going to find out or calculate the regression equation. So the data is here. Water in inches is the x variable and yield in tons is the y variable. So I have typed the data here. Now I will go to data, then I will select data analysis. So a window appears. I will select regression, then I will click on OK. A window appears where I first is required to put the y variable. I will select the y variable, then I will select the x variable, then I will select this output range. I will click on a cell on which I want my result. I will click on residuals, then I will click on OK. So this is my result on regression. Here I can see that this is my R square value, this is the number of observations, this is my B, that is the regression coefficient is 3.99 and y-intercept is 0.10. This is the YC values and these are the residuals. The entire result could be obtained through the data analysis toolbar. So in this way we can find out the regression value or the regression equation from a given bivariate data set.